Before you spend money on the Cloudix Foot Massager, you may want to watch this review because the internet is filled with bold ads claiming that this device can relieve neuropathy, burning pain, tingling, numbness, and even improve pore circulation using NMES electrical stimulation. The marketing suggests that the Cloudix Foot Massager is some kind of breakthrough therapy that can help damaged nerves recover and eliminate neuropathy pain. But the real question is whether these claims are actually supported by evidence. In this video, I took a close look at the Cloudix Foot Massager, its advertising, product listings, and customer feedback to understand what buyers might really be getting. The device itself appears to be a simple ME or NMES-style electrical stimulation foot mat, which is a type of technology that has been around for years and is commonly used in basic muscle stimulation products. However, some of the marketing surrounding Cloudix raises a few concerns, especially when it comes to the very strong medical claims being made. The advertisements often suggest that the device can repair nerve damage or permanently eliminate neuropathy pain, which are very serious medical claims that typically require strong clinical evidence. Another point worth mentioning is the use of doctor endorsements and testimonials in promotional material, some of which appear overly polished or possibly AI-generated, which makes it difficult to verify whether they are real medical professionals or actual customers. I also noticed that similar-looking EMS foot mats appear on various online marketplaces under different brand names, sometimes at significantly lower prices, which suggests the possibility that this could be a generic product being rebranded and sold with aggressive marketing. In addition, some customer complaints online mention refund difficulties, billing concerns, and high-pressure sales tactics such as countdown timers and limited-time offers designed to push quick purchases. Now, this doesn't automatically mean the product can't provide temporary relaxation or mild muscle stimulation, but it does highlight the importance of separating realistic expectations from marketing hype. So if you're considering the Cloudix Foot Massager, it may be wise to carefully review all available information, compare similar devices, and consult a medical professional when dealing with serious conditions like neuropathy.